Good morning, everyone! Welcome to our presentation video. Today, we will discuss an important topic related to regional financial performance, a reflection of how the Serang City government managed its budget over time.
Through this presentation, we invite you to take a closer look at how financial management plays a vital role in supporting development and public welfare.
Hello everyone! My name is Safa Kaiwa Putri with student number 1713425-136.
My name is Feros Kartika Zahra. My student number is 17134250251.
My name is Felicia Almosnia. My student number is 17134255057.
My name is Nanda Sagita, and my student number is 17134250041.
My name is Alisa Nabila Putri, and my student number is 17134258081.
The regional budget reflects the direction of policy and development priorities of a region. In the context of the Serang City government, the recap of budget allocation and spending realization from 2022 to 2023 provides an overview of how financial resources were managed and to what extent the planned programs were successfully implemented. Several key sectors such as education, health, public works, housing, public order, and social affairs have become the main focus in the utilization of the regional budget, or we can say APBD. In general, the budget realization rate in Serang City is considered relatively high, indicating the government's commitment to implementing development programs. However, there are still noticeable fluctuations and imbalances among sectors, suggesting that the effectiveness of budget execution has not yet reached its optimal level. Through this data, we can identify the main issue faced by the Serang City governments in terms of planning, implementation, and efficiency in budget utilization. This analysis is crucial to determine which sectors require greater attention so that the future regional financial management can be more targeted and deliver maximum benefits to the people of Serang City.
The first issue is suboptimal budget absorption in priority sectors. Even though education received more than 40% of the total budget, its realization rate decreased from 94.65% in 2022 to 92.47% in 2023. This meant that planning might have been too ambitious, possibly due to delays in school infrastructures or regional bus projects. On the other hand, the health sectors increased from 87.43% to 91.27%, but is still not enough considering the high demand for public health service. This shows there are still administrative and technical problems, procurement or service delivery. The second issue is the gap between budget increase and realization performance. For example, the Public Works and Housing Department, as we can say PUPR, had a rising budget and realization, but efficiency only improved by a small margin. This indicates bureaucratic delays and low tender readiness. Similarly, the education sector performance declined despite a higher ceilings show unrealistic budget planning.
The third issue is the imbalance intersectoral focus. We found that the social affairs and public order sectors experience a decline in realization, even though they directly affect public welfare and basic services. In contrast, sectors like public and work housing maintain high realization rates above 95%. This shows that the city's development focus is still too centered on the physical infrastructure, while social services and community welfare receive less attention. This imbalance can affect the city's long-term growth because social sectors like just important as infrastructure for improving the quality of life.
The fourth issue is fluctuating budget absorption performance over the years. The volatility happens because of poor coordination between departments, late revised budget, and tender delays, which cause spending to pile up at the end of the year. As a result, the quality of spending might decrease. To solve these problems, we introduced the Serang strategy, which stands for
S. Synergy in planning. Unify policy direction and coordination across sectors for coherent development. E. Expenditure effectiveness. Ensure public spending delivers measurable and impactful outcomes. R. Program responsiveness. Adapt programs dynamically to actual field conditions and community needs.
A. Management accountability. Strengthen transparency, supervision, and reporting to uphold integrity. And networking collaboration. Build strong partnerships among government, private sector, and community to enhance implementation success. G. Good governance. Implement transparent, participatory, and efficient public administration practices.
Based on the recap of budget allocation and expenditure realization of the Serang City Government to 22 and 23, it can be concluded that the overall financial performance of the region has been running well, although several challenges remain in the sectors of education, social affairs, and public order. This indicates the need of improved effectiveness and coordination in planning, implementation, and budget supervision to ensure that every program truly benefits the community. Through the implementation of Serang strategy, synergy in planning, spending effectiveness, program responsiveness, management accountability, network collaboration, and good governance, the Serang City government is expected to strengthen financial management that is transparent, efficient, and oriented toward public welfare. With spirit of collaboration, Serang City can continue to move forward, realizing development that is fairer, more equitable, and people-centered.